Hi guys.
Hi guys.
આ અમારી એનાટોમીને મેડમ છે મરીના મેમ and she will introduce you about
Okay, I am professor of anatomy department and I'm glad to introduce my anatomy department and my brave and nice student of first year. So if you choose the medicine, first of all, you are brave, you are clever, you are smart, and I hope you will be happy, but you everything everywhere will be necessary for people. It's one of the reasons for choosing of medicine. Please welcome, and you can see how we provide the time after lesson in the air, in the snow, but snow is not a permanent condition. We have green leaves, we have a sun, and we have a nice weather too. Come here.
thank you
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
thank you ma'am
Thank you.